Hey everyone! In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to lock your Facebook profile. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Protecting your online presence is essential, and your Facebook profile is one. That's why locking your profile can be a powerful tool to keep your personal information and posts safe from unwanted eyes, and it helps you to protect privacy and enhance authority. When you lock your Facebook profile, only your friends can see your profile information, like your About Me section, photos, posts, and stories. If you lock your Facebook profile, only your friends will see full-size profile picture and cover photo. To lock your Facebook profile, first, open Facebook app on your mobile. After that, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner and go to your profile by tapping your name. Now, click on the three dots menu in the bottom right corner of your profile picture. This opens a menu with various options. From various options, select Lock Profile, and this will bring you to the profile lock settings. Now, from the bottom of the screen, tap on Lock Your Profile to confirm. This is exactly how you can lock your profile on Facebook. If you have any questions or confusion about this topic, please let me know in the comments section below. And if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial and tips.